Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the note making. As in previous class, I have taught you about the process of note making. You understand the meaning of note making and the format of note making and the steps of note making. Some of you have asked to give the demonstration, means the example of the note making, in what way we have to do the note making in the examination. The purpose is very clear. All the things most of you have clear. Now we have to understand. In exam, we have one passage, as I have taken one passage. Okay, and in this passage you have to make the notes and you have to make the summary of the same passage. Both contains of 8 marks. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 marks. Okay, as I told you, you have to keep the proper understanding of the format in your mind when you are solving the paper, and after that you have to solve the questions. Okay, let's see. Suppose this is the passage which you have to read very carefully. Let's read. First of all, you have to read the passage very carefully. Some tips you have to keep in your mind when you are reading the passage. Try to catch the important points from the passage. How it will happen, I will show you. And one more thing, you just develop the habit of quick reading. There are various tips by which you can develop the ability of quick reading. So in unseen passages, this is going to be very beneficial if you develop the habit of quick reading. Okay, you can't escape from the reading. At least at once you have to read. According to process, you have to read twice, but you have the ability to understand the process once you have to understand. For that, I am telling you, for giving the title, first of all you have to give the title. For giving the title, you have to glance at the passage. Once you have to glance at the passage and try to understand what is in the center of the passage, entire passage, and what is the central point of the passage, that is going to be your title. But in exam, if you are finding time कि are not understanding what is there in the passage, so title का जो line है, you can leave it and just start reading of the passage. And in what way you have to make a notes? First of all, you just make a part of the passage according to its content. As you just make first part from this to this, from second part you just make from this to this. Similarly, from third part you can take from this to this, and last part is equal to this to this. Means 1 2 3 4 part you have made. You can take from anywhere. There is no any rule for that in first point you have to take only this type. Okay, by separating it, just consider only on the single part. Single part पे ही आपको क्या करना है, consider करना है. On that single part you just make a notes. Okay, let's see. We have to read carefully. Let's start reading and develop the idea what is there in the passage. A developing nation needs trained human resource, and it is the human resource that higher education nurtures. Okay, in order to be a developed country and to keep pace with other progressive nations, our students need to be highly educated. I have seen that we have more faith in a professional who is highly educated than in one who is not academically bright. So higher education is not only necessary in its vital in the modern context. First part you have read. Okay, similarly second part when we read, there is no doubt that higher education is most of all students. It enhances our skill and adds that extra zing to the resume. It is definitely more advantageous to opt for higher education in the modern age. Higher education is the need of the hour. If you hold a master's and doctorate degree, you obviously have an upper hand over the rest. Higher education is gaining momentum. There is no denying to the fact that specialization makes you more aware, knowledgeable, and analytical, and thereby enhancing your judgmental skills and enhance overcome problematic situation. Means when you find a passage, you have to read it. You have to read it for the first time, and you just find out what are the important points you find throughout the paragraph. Suppose in the first part in my reading, I just found these words, whatever the words I have underlined, that is the most important. Now, in what way you are considered that is the important point that is important? You just do one thing. Don't go according to rule. You just think, if you are reading this one, a developing nation needs trained human resource. It is the human resource that higher education is. In this line, this is a phrase. This is a phrase you all of you understand. You just underline this phrase. इस phrase को आप अंडरलाइन कर लीजिए. ये आपका एक पॉइंट हो गया. ठीक है, दिस इज योर पॉइंट. ओके, सिमिलरली यू जस्ट you can underline this also. Trained human resources, the human resources that higher education nurtures. Human resources nurtures higher education. Human resources nurtures higher education. But there is no need to write all the points. Okay, you in a single paragraph or in a single part which you have marked, you just try to find out at least 4 or 5, no more than 5, at least 3, maximum 5 points. Okay, in these points you try to find the what is center in the points. Okay, if I am telling about this, these are the points which I have underlined. These are the points which I have underlined, and I just follow the format all of you know as given in the last. Okay, so after that, after reading these 2 paragraphs, I found that the higher education is giving the more appropriate title for the same. Okay, you can't write this title. I have written only for your better understanding with pencil. You just write in both paragraphs. I found that the central point is the higher education. So throughout the passage you have to find what is the central point. What is the central point? That is your title. The title can be of many types. Suppose higher education, value of higher education, importance of higher education, all are going to be considered your full marks. Okay, now how you are going to write? Okay, here suppose developing nation needs keep to pace with other progressive nations. Education is not only necessary vital in modern context. These are the points which you have to write. So in the first paragraph we find that there is a talking about the essentiality of the higher education. How much higher education is important, why higher education is important. For writing this we have to just write one point. Okay, after that we write H.E. What is the meaning of this? For the higher education, I choose this word. This is the key abbreviation. Okay, you can underline it. HE is essential. HE is essential. This is called heading. HE is essential. This is called heading. Okay, after that subtopics or points we can say 1.1. Okay, developing nation needs, as written in the developing nation needs, what it is? Trained HR, and it is written here, trained human resources. Okay, trained HR. Again HR, that is stand for the human resource. अंडरस्टूड। ट्रेंड एचआर को आप यहाँ पे एचआर आपको अंडरलाइन कर देना है, अंडरस्टूड। सिमिलरली द थर्ड पॉइंट of the phrase that is to keep pace with other PN. PN I have written for the progressive nation. To keep pace with progressive nation. You just try to keep pace with other progressive nation like PN. Okay. The last line vital in the modern context. Vital in the modern context. Context के लिए आप CONT का यूज कर सकते हैं। एब्रिविएशन में मैंने बताया था कि अगर सिंगल वर्ड का एब्रिविएशन लिखना हो तो जो फर्स्ट वर्ड होगा वो खाली कैपिटल होगा, अगर दो वर्ड है तो वहाँ पे आपका H.E. होगा। E स्टैंड है किसके लिए? एजुकेशन के लिए, और H स्टैंड है हायर के लिए। अगर खाली आपको एजुकेशन का एब्रिविएशन लिखना होता तो आप ADU डॉट कर देते हैं, जैसा कि मैंने कॉन्टेक्स्ट में CONT किया। एब्रिविएशन को अंडरलाइन करना बहुत ही जरूरी है। Okay, next, see, you just find the some points in the passage and try to underline that is the most important points according to you. What is in the center that is going to be heading. किसी एक पैसेज या किसी एक पार्ट, पैसेज के एक पार्ट का जो सेंटर पॉइंट होता है, जैसे यहाँ पे हायर एजुकेशन कि फर्स्ट पार्ट में क्या कहा गया, उसके एसेंशियलिटी की बात की जा रही है, तो ये आपका हेडिंग हो जाता है। और इसके अंतर्गत, ठीक है, इसके अंतर्गत जो वर्ड्स आते हैं, डेवलपिंग नेशन नीड्स, एवरी डेवलपिंग नेशन नीड्स ट्रेंड एचआर। ये जो सेंटेंस है देखेंगे कि एच इज एसेंशियल फॉर ऑल एंड एवरी डेवलपिंग नेशन नीड्स अ ट्रेंड एचआर। ये आपका सब टॉपिक्स हो गया, ये आपका सब टॉपिक्स हो गया। और सब टॉपिक्स आपको 2 या 3 लिखने हैं। सारे पॉइंट्स में सब टॉपिक्स लिखना जरूरी नहीं है, और इसी के अकॉर्डिंग टू कीप पेस विद अदर PN. Vital in the modern context. Understood? Means throughout the passage you just take any line. Okay, if you are finding phrase in that and you have to save your notes according to the same. आप अपना नोट्स अपने अकॉर्डिंग आप सेव कर सकते हैं। वन थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, हियर देयर इज नो मार्क्स इज गोइंग टू बी गिवन और अवॉर्डेड फॉर द कंटेंट। कंटेंट इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट हियर। व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी इंपॉर्टेंट? योर एबिलिटी टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड द पैसेज। योर एबिलिटी टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड द पैसेज। फॉर द सेम you have to consider only some words and just try to avoid some minor points. That is the that is the most important points of the note making. Let them avoid. कोई जरूरी नहीं है, बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स ऊपर में छूट गए हैं, ठीक है। Let them avoid. If you have 4 solid points, that is more than enough. Similarly, in the second passage we will see there is no doubt that higher education is must for all students. We are finding higher education is must. We just underlined it. Okay, we can not underline this. Okay, it enhance. What enhance? Higher education enhance. Okay, हायर एजुकेशन इनहांस वन स्किल। तो हायर एजुकेशन क्या होगा आपका? नीड ऑफ द हायर एजुकेशन, नीड ऑफ द हायर एजुकेशन, ये आपका पॉइंट्स हो गया। और इनहांस वंस स्किल। यू कैन राइट एड्स दैट एक्स्ट्रा जिंक टू, एड एक्स्ट्रा जिंक टू रिज्यूम। इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, you just avoid any one of the things. As I have written in the second paragraph, I found that need of HE. HE is the first point. Means once you have written one HE for higher education, there is no need to underline this HE. Understood? Enhance one's skill, for you just write here. Okay. After that, you just read along. It is definitely more advantage to opt higher education in modern age. Higher education is the need of the hour. Very important line. आपको जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन लगे, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, जो तो ट्राई टू अंडरलाइन दैट इट एंड गिव अ स्पेस इन द योर राइटिंग। मीन्स नीड ऑफ द आवर, नीड ऑफ द आवर HR, Okay, remember here HR is not used for the human resource. Here you have used H small and R small. That is the very familiar term, familiar abbreviation used for the how. Understood? That is very familiar term. You have to use of the for the. Okay. After that means it is definitely more okay. It if you hold a master degree or a doctorate degree, if you hold a master or doctorate degree means what? Higher education. Higher education. If you hold it means holding it means holding what? HE means holding it means HE. Holding higher education means what? You will get the idea, and the have an upper hand over the rest. Having an upper hand, you can write, you can use the term having an upper hand. Upper hand means you have more value than the others. You have more value than the others. Similarly, you just go further. Higher education is gaining momentum. There is no denying fact that specializations make you more aware. Specialization means holding a हायर एजुकेशन. स्पेशलाइजेशन का मतलब क्या हुआ? होल्डिंग अ हायर एजुकेशन. वहीं पे मेक्स यू मोर अवेयर, आपको ज़्यादा जागरूक करता है. ठीक है. उसके बाद कोई एक पॉइंट और देख लीजिए. नॉलेजेबल एंड एनालिटिकल, देयर इन्हांसिंग योर जजमेंट स्किल्स. जस्ट ये पॉइंट भी लिख सकते हैं या ये पॉइंट भी लिख सकते हैं. मैंने ये पॉइंट लिया है, इन्हांसिंग योर जजमेंट स्किल को हमने जेड और एस डॉट कर. ठीक है. यू जस्ट अंडरलाइन दिस पॉइंट. दिस इज द 2 पैराग्राफ. पार्ट 2 किस कंप्लीट है. जो पार्ट 2 था उसका आपका नोट मेकिंग ये हुआ, जिसके पॉइंट्स को मैंने 2 से किया है, सब पॉइंट्स को 2.1 और सब पॉइंट को 2.3. जो ये मार्जिन होता है उसको आपको ध्यान रखना है 2 2 2. अंडरस्टूड. इन दिस वे यू हैव टू मेक योर नोट्स. ओके. Similarly, you have the coming passages, passage number 3 or passage number 4, that is part 3 and 4. Whatever the points I have made, whatever the rules I have followed in the previous 2 parts, you just try to follow these 2 parts by your own. If you have any problem, you can ask. Okay. Whatever the abbreviation you have made, okay, this is your complete note making of the 2 parts. Okay. In these 2 parts I have made first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 parts of speech I have made. 7 abbreviation I have made. In the last you just make a box. In the last you have just make a box as I have given you, and you just write abbreviation key. Okay. In this abbreviation key you just write the first HE, that is for higher education. Second is HR, that is for the human resource, and for HR this is for our, and JS for judgment skill. Understood? You can write now. Okay. This is the format of the note making. Okay. You in this way you just make the notes of the complete passage. I think you understand. Okay. Now after that the more important part is that summary writing, which is coming in the same question. You have to give the summary of the passage. When you do something very close understanding of the chapter, आप नोट्स बनाए हैं. ठीक है. समरी क्या होता है? We can say summary is the 10% of the paragraph. Suppose the paragraph is in 1000 words, so then you have to write the summary in the 100 words. You have to very brief, and you have to choose only those things which is of most important in the paragraph. How it relates to note making? नोट मेकिंग से ये कैसे रिलेट होता है? नोट मेकिंग में भी हम मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट को कंसिडर करें. सो शुड वी टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम द नोट मेकिंग? नोट मेकिंग से ही हम क्या करेंगे? इसका हेल्प लेंगे. जितने पॉइंट्स को हम यहाँ फ्रेजेस में लिखे हैं वही पॉइंट्स हम क्या करेंगे, उसको सेंटेंस में बनाते चलेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज वी हैव रिटेन HE is essential. Remember that you don't need to write abbreviation in the summary. Okay, you will write higher education is essential in the development of the nation. In the development of the nation as it requires, yani both are the synonyms. Regarding trained HR is a very familiar term. You can use the HR or you write in bracket human resource. It helps to keep pace with other progressive nation. What help? It helps to keep pace with other person, and it is very vital in the modern context. In this way you have to write the summary. Secondly, the needs of higher education includes it enhances an individual skill, and it is the need of every hour. Holding the higher education means holding the higher education that one can have a upper hand with others, and it helps to make aware with the scenario, and it helps in enhancing your judgment skill. Means whatever the points you have written in the notes, you just write in a complete sentence, that is your summary. Okay, one thing is very very important. If you write summary by seeing the notes, that is going to be very helpful for you. Okay, and one thing is very important. Suppose in summary if you are writing, just try to अंडरलाइन द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. जो आपका वहाँ पे हेडिंग है उसको अगर अंडरलाइन करते हैं तो इसका एक अलग इफेक्ट पड़ता है एग्जामिनेशन के ऊपर. रिमेंबर दैट ब्लैक पेन हैज बीन not used in the examination. It is prohibited the use of black pen. So how we underline? So pencil is the better option. Pencil is the best option. You just take pencil, that will help you in underlining the passage also. In the examination you can't use pen in your question paper. So if you possible, you just use maximum pencil in underline anything. Okay, underline points, underline the question papers, it will help you. Hope you understand the passage in very proper way. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में ये आपका 4 मार्क्स का आएगा. अंडरस्टूड. जिसके मार्क्स डिवीजन होता है, ठीक है. अगर आप टाइटल अप्रोप्रिएटली लिखते हैं तो ये कंसीडर करता है 1 मार्क्स का. एब्रिविएशन अगर यूज करते हैं 1 मार्क्स का. और जो आपका कंटेंट होता है जिसमें आपका पॉइंट्स सब पॉइंट्स सारे आते हैं, ये आपका हो जाता है 2 मार्क्स का. ठीक है. समरी आपका अकेले 4 मार्क्स का होता है जिसमें ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक नहीं करनी है. अंडरस्टूड. अकॉर्डिंग टू ग्रामेटिकल यू हैव टू राइट द समरी. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. यू जस्ट ट्राई टू whatever the second next 2 portion you just do by your own self. If you have any problem you can ask. I hope you understand, and just try to means take a paper of the previous year and just try to make a notes and just give me comment. I hope you understand all of you, and thank you. In next class we will meet soon.